Hi there, here is the Amazon Smart Plug. Now what is a smart plug and why would anyone need it? Well, it's a device that makes your home peripherals smart, like a table lamp, a table fan, a coffee machine or any low powered electrical appliance. All you need to do is tell your Echo speaker to turn it on or off. It's literally that simple. I've actually already unboxed it and I've been using it for a couple of days, so let me show you how it looks and works. Alright, so the first thing you need to know about the Amazon Smart Plug is that you will need an Echo speaker and a Wi-Fi connection for this to work. Actually, you can use it with a mobile hotspot, but it won't be the most practical way to use it. So any Echo speaker will do, an Echo Dot, an input, a regular Echo speaker, any. And that's actually also a downside of this plug. You can only use this with an Echo, not with Google Home and not even with Apple HomeKit. Frankly, that comes as no surprise to me because this is an Amazon product, but I thought I'll clarify it just in case you were unsure. Moving on, here's the smart plug box. Inside you have the plug, some paperwork. It's actually a setup guide. The build quality of the plug is excellent. It has a matte finish on the front with the Amazon logo below. There is an on and off button on the left side. And at the bottom below, there is also a very small LED light. It turns blue when it's turned on, red when it doesn't have Wi-Fi connectivity, and off when the power is off. Now some would say, why should you buy the Amazon Smart Plug when there are so many other smart plug brands available at half the price? Well, that's because this one is super quick and easy to set up using the Amazon Alexa app. Then you don't need any third-party app to pair it. It's glitch-free, especially when you have power outage. You don't have to go through the tedious setup process all over again. And of course, the quality of the smart plug. It's way better than any of the competitors. So to set it up, you're going to need an Alexa app on your phone. I'm assuming you already have it installed if you have an Echo speaker, which is kind of mandatory if you want to use the smart plug. See, you can actually use the smart plug even just with the Alexa app. But what is the fun in that? The idea is to control it over voice. So open the app, then go to Add Devices. Make sure the app is updated. Click on Plug. Choose Amazon. Next. Now it's saying scan on the barcode. Click on Scan Barcode. You'll find the QR code on back of the smart plug. Scan it and plug in the smart plug and power it on. Just in a few seconds, the plug will set up. It's that simple. On my Alexa app, it's showing the name First Plug. Let's just name it to Plug. You can actually set it to whatever you like. So if you want to physically turn on or off the power plug, simply press the button on the side to toggle. Blue LED light means it's on and no LED means it's off. Alright, let's check it out with our Echo speaker. Computer, turn on the plug. There you go. The light connected to the plug has turned on. Computer, turn off the plug. And there you go. So basically you can connect anything to this plug, from lights to fan to a coffee maker to even your phone charger. You can even set it to routine, like you can say good morning and you can set it up in a way that it'll turn on the coffee machine or your table lamp, whatever you like. The options are endless. But remember, this is 6 ampere plug, so you can't use it for air conditioners, geysers or anything with heavy load. However, that would have been amazing. I'm sure we'll see that kind of plug very soon. The only drawback according to me is its price. It's currently selling on Amazon for $1,999. And it's a little higher than the competitors, but I have to say that it offers much better quality and reliability compared to the others. In fact, it's available a lot cheaper if you buy it in a combo deal. Like if you buy it with an Echo Dot 3rd generation, you can grab both for just 2,748 rupees. That's a total steal. But of course, that combo deal is a limited offer, so grab one right away. I'll leave the link below of the smart plug as well as of the combo deal below. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.